It is finally here, the Davis's Q&A review for NCLEX-RN, which includes Next-Gen NCLEX. So Davis products always come in book form and or with Davis Edge. So altogether, you get over 12,500 questions, over 2,500 in the book, and then 10,000 online in a test bank where you can have a drop-down menu and see and select what topics you want to review. They tell you how the NCLEX is made up, how many % of each section here is done. And as always, Davis gives you the question and the rationales. So here, for example, we have this question. The nurse teaches the client to compress and secure a JP wound drain. Which image shows that this teaching was effective? So this is a question with a picture where you have to select which picture is correct. So when we go to the answer choices here, 659, it tells us, illustration 1 demonstrates proper care of the JP drain. It is compressed to provide suction, and the cap is secure and the drain is secured to the client's clothing to prevent traction on the skin. As always, they also give you reasons why the other options are not correct. And then here for clinical judgment, and to evaluate your outcomes, they tell you what to study for or what the reason is. So remember that a JP needs to be compressed to allow for negative pressure. Aseptic technique should be used when handling the cap to empty the drain, and the drain should be secure that it does not pull on the client's skin. And then it tells you what concept area that pertains to. Now, if you do have the online version of all these questions, you get all this data in a chart, and where the Davis Edge product will analyze all your tests that you've been taking, and then it'll give you suggestions on what to review from there. And I also wanted to show you, so there's a lot of different chapters. And then at the end, we have a comprehensive exam that again goes into different multiple choice. Select all that apply are still going to be a big portion of your NCLEX. You have these picture questions here, then always you have some sort of graphs you might need to interpret. You might need to interpret some labs, some food diary intake, a cardiac rhythm, again picture identification, lots of pharmacology questions, and then case studies over case studies, and then again the answers. And then at the very end of the book you have all the new test items, case studies, bow tie and trend items, so that you can go over those, and then with the guidance of the book and the rationales, it'll tell you why did you get them right, why did you get them wrong. So you have all these different items here that are very helpful. Remember, as always, with discount code PETRA20, you get 20% off all FA Davis products, and I highly recommend this resource to get you ready for your next-gen NCLEX. You got this.